Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Sublime Text 4. Sublime Text 4 is usually used by the developers and it's the most famous text editor. So let us start. Open your favorite browser and write down here Sublime Text 4 download, and you can see here download Sublime Text. Click here and you can see it's available in different platforms: Mac OS, Windows, Linux. Here we have to download this Windows one. Click here and it's downloading. Here you can see now download has been completed. Click this file and minimize this window, and this is installation folder where it will be installed. You can change it if you want. I would keep it as it is. Click next. Click next and click install and click finish. This has installed your Sublime Text 4. Now click here menu, start menu, and you can see here Sublime Text. Click on it and you can click here file and click here open, and you can open any HTML file, for example this file, and it will show you the codes of that HTML file. Now this was all about how to download and install Sublime Text 4, and I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.